You should post one video on LinkedIn. I'm going to tell you why, I'm going to tell you which one you should do, and I'm going to tell you how to get started. Let's go.
For your next act, Mr. Markus Seppala.
How's it going? My name is Markus Seppala. I'm a stand-up comedian and TEDx speaker, helping you bring more fun to the corporate stage. On this channel, I share a lot of public speaking tips about how you can better engage with your audience, whether that's on stage or on video. There's many reasons why you should post a video on LinkedIn, but I'm only going to give you one reason. The one reason you should post a video on LinkedIn is that the 99 people next to you are not posting a video on LinkedIn. That means that it's easy for you to stand out and showcase your expertise. What should I talk about? Teach us one thing. Teach us how to do one thing that you know that somebody else doesn't know how to do. Let's say that you are an Excel god working in finance. Teach us that one Excel hack that helps you avoid errors in your quarterly consolidation. You are an English teacher teaching English as a foreign language. Teach us that one trick that helps your students avoid one common language mistake. You are a comedian. Tell us that one creativity exercise that helps you come up with joke ideas. By teaching us one thing, you're providing massive value to your network, which is more than the 99 people next to you on LinkedIn are doing. It doesn't have to be long, doesn't have to be complicated. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just grab your smartphone or grab your webcam. Just make sure that we can hear you. Either use a headset mic or hold your phone close to your face. Press record, post a video, and you will already be in a league of your own because you posted one video. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more communication tips. I actually post videos on LinkedIn myself on a regular basis. I got really good reactions on one that I did about how to use slides in online meetings. If you want to check out that video, click the link on your screen right now. Also remember to grab my free video conferencing checklist. There's links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.